Hello students, in my last video I have taught you what is the concept of phi. Phi means the angle between radius factor and tangent. We have done the questions where we were finding out that phi. Also we did few questions where I was also finding out the slope, that is psi, and we know that theta plus phi is equal to psi and tan psi gives you the slope. So that all we have done in the previous video. Now we will understand the concept of orthogonality. Now what exactly we have to do in orthogonality? See, orthogonal means what? The two curves are perpendicular. When you talk about two curves, so basically what you do, you draw the tangents and then find out the angle between them. Here what is a concept? Suppose I have first curve, say r is equal to some f theta, and say some other curve where r is equal to some g theta. Simply I am giving the names. So if suppose for this curve I get phi is equal to phi 1 and for this curve I get phi is equal to phi 2. Now we all know how to find out this phi. Then phi 1 minus phi 2. Absolute value of phi 1 minus phi 2 is the angle between the curve. Angle between the curves. And when this angle is 90 degree, that is known as orthogonal, or we say that the curve intersect orthogonally. Correct. This is one way you find out both phi, subtract, and the angle between them will be 90 degree. Okay. The other way and the easier version of this, if you remember when you were studying the coordinate geometry and all, you used to study that two curves are orthogonal if m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 means slope of both the curves is equal to minus 1. So here what I will be doing, I will find out tan of phi 1 and tan of phi 2. And if this is equal to minus 1, then it is orthogonal. So this is the main simple way to show that the two curves are orthogonal. And the other way, if you want to go by a long cut, you can find out the angle between the two curves, which will be equal to 90 degree. And how to find out the angle between the curves, that separately we will learn in one video. Okay, so now in this video, we will do the questions based on orthogonality, and I will be using this concept in all the questions. As I said, I'll repeat again, without this also you can do by this method also. Okay, so let us start with the question. Now see, suppose these two are the curves. So what you have to do, you have to solve both the curves separately. As in the previous video, we have solved separately these two curves, right? As separate questions. Now simultaneously I will be doing to find out the tan phi 1 and tan phi 2. Look at the first one. My working procedure remains same. Step 1, take log. So here log r is equal to log a plus log 1 plus cos theta. Okay, I think I'll remove this line because I need space. I don't want to write like this. Okay, so let me work on the first curve first. So log r is equal to log a plus log of 1 plus cos theta. Right? Differentiate with respect to theta, 1 by r. dr by d theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Now as I told you, this is minus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. Or actually we don't need this also. Okay. Why to go that way only? Because we don't want phi specifically, right? So this is cot phi. So cot phi is equal to minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So what is the value of tan? Tan phi is equal to 1 plus cos theta minus I am putting outside upon sin theta. Let it be equation number 1. Now let's go to the equation number 2. Now again log r is equal to log b plus log of 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Now differentiate it. So 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta, and this will become sin theta. Cot phi is equal to sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. So what is tan phi? Tan phi is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Let it be equation number 2. And suppose this is tan phi 1, this is tan phi 2. Okay, because different two curves. So now let us find out the value of tan of phi 1 into tan of phi 2 from equation number 1 and 2. So what I am getting, minus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta and 1 minus sin cos theta upon sin theta. Okay. Now you look at the numerator. 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus sin theta means what? What is a plus b into a minus b? It is a square minus b square. Correct? We know this formula. Apply it. So tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to minus 1 minus cos square theta upon sin square theta. Sin theta into sin theta. Now tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to, what is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta. So minus sin square theta upon sin square theta, which is equal to minus 1, because we all know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So I got minus 1, means both the curves are orthogonal. Same way, let us do this one now. Let us start. So n log r is equal to n log a plus log of cos n theta. Correct? Differentiate it. So n by r dr by d theta is equal to cos n theta. Differentiation of log is 1 upon. So cos n theta will go in denominator. Now differentiate cos. Differentiation of cos is sin n theta. And then differentiation of n theta is equal to n. And since cos differentiation is minus, so one minus will also come. Okay. This implies n will get cancelled on both the side, and 1 by r dr by d theta will become cot phi. So cot phi is equal to minus tan n theta. Correct? But my interest is in tan theta. So tan of phi 1 is equal to minus 1 upon tan n theta. So this becomes my equation number 1, because I got the value of tan of phi 1. Let me work on the second curve. So n log r is equal to n log b plus log of sin n theta. So n by r dr by d theta is equal to sin n theta n cos n theta. Correct? Again n got cancelled. So implies cot phi is equal to cos upon sin is what? Cot n theta. Correct? So I want the tan. Na? So tan of phi 2 is equal to 1 upon cot n theta. This is equation number 2. Correct? Now tan of phi 1 into tan of phi 2 is equal to minus 1 upon tan n theta into 1 upon cot n theta. What is cot? Cot is 1 by tan. So minus 1 upon tan n theta and tan n theta, which is equal to minus 1. Hence proved. Hence they are orthogonal. The moment tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is minus 1, it is orthogonal. Okay. So now go to the next one. Now this one again, take log. So log r is equal to log 4 plus 2 log of secant theta by 2. Okay. So 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 2 upon secant theta by 2. Okay. Then what is the differentiation of secant theta? Secant theta into tan theta. So secant theta into tan theta. Then what is the differentiation of theta by 2? 1 by 2. So this is called the chain rule. Start with this function, then this function, then this function. Okay. So now cot phi is equal to secant gone, only tan theta by 2 is left. So what is tan? Tan phi 1, tan is just the reciprocal I am taking, is 1 upon tan theta by 2. This is equation number 1. Go to the second equation now. So log r is equal to log 9 plus 2 log cosec theta by 2. I hope all of you are understanding how I am doing this. We know that log of m to the power n is equal to n log m. Okay, so that's why this 2 is coming in front. Okay. Then 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 2 upon cosec theta by 2. Then what is the differentiation of cosec? Minus cosec into cot, right? So cosec theta by 2 and cot theta by 2, but with negative sign. And theta by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2. Correct? So cot phi is equal to minus cot theta by 2. And tan of phi 2 is equal to minus 1 by cot is what? Tan theta by 2. You can write 1 by cot also, no issues. Next step it will be cancelled. So equation number 2. Now multiply equation number 1 and 2. So tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to 1 by tan theta by 2 into minus tan theta by 2. So how much I got? Minus 1 implies orthogonal. So very simple questions, okay? Come to the next question. Now again, log r is equal to log a plus log of 1 plus sine theta. I will suggest you to pause the video and do it and then cross check. Then you will also get the confidence that you are getting the concept. Okay, and don't simplify it. Many students try to simplify it in a half angle and all. So it is not required here when we know that we can cancel it. At the end, if we get stuck, that time we'll reduce. But in the beginning, we will directly do. Okay, so cot phi is equal to cos theta upon 1 plus sine theta. So tan of phi 1 is equal to 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta. Let it be equation number 1. Go to the second curve now. So log r is equal to log b plus log of 1 minus sine theta. Okay, so 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 1 minus sine theta and minus cos theta. So cot phi is equal to minus cos theta upon 1 minus sine theta. And tan of phi 2 is equal to minus 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta. If you observe, this is almost like the first question, only it's like instead of 1 plus cos theta, I am getting 1 minus sine theta. So tan of phi 1 into tan of phi 2. So it is a very easy chapter. If you learn small basic concept, it's very easy. So minus 1 plus cos sine theta and 1 minus sine theta upon cos square theta. Now again a plus b, a minus b formula I am applying. So 1 minus sine square theta with negative sign upon cos square theta. So 1 minus sine square is what? Cos square. So cos square theta minus cos square theta upon cos square theta. So minus 1 implies orthogonal. So very easy concept. Let's move to the next question. Now here you look. Here usually students get confused, though it is very easy. Log r is equal to log a plus log of e to the power theta. 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 0. Now please understand this thing. Before differentiating, let me rewrite this step. Log r is equal to log a plus, what is log of e to the power theta? It is theta. Remember, log of e to the power theta. See, when we talk about log function, there are different base. Base can be 10, base can be a, base can be e. When usually you don't write anything, it is considered as base e. If there is some other base, then we mention it, 10, a, like that. But when you use your calculator, always remember ln is base e. And log when they write, it is base 10 always. Okay. Now differentiate it. So 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to log a differentiation is 0 and theta differentiation is 1. So what you got? Cot phi is equal to 1 implies tan of phi 1 is equal to 1 first. Okay. Now go to the second curve. So now log r plus log of e to the power theta is equal to log b. Log r plus theta is equal to log b. Differentiate 1 by r dr by d theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So cot phi is equal to minus 1. So tan of phi 2 is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Multiply. So tan of phi 1 into tan of phi 2 is equal to minus 1. Hence proved. Orthogonal. So usually students do mistake only in this concept. Remaining it's very easy. There is no trigonometry. So very easy for you. Now let's see one more question. Take log. So 2 log r. Now by this time you should pause and you should do it yourself. Log of sine 2 theta is equal to 2 log a. So 2 by r dr by d theta is equal to sine 2 theta cos 2 theta into 2 is equal to 0. Sorry, this is plus. Correct? So 2 cancel. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled because other side it is 0. So cot phi is equal to minus cot of 2 theta because cos upon sine is cot. So tan of phi 1 is equal to minus 1 upon cot means minus tan 2 theta. Reciprocal I have taken. Okay, both the sides. So 1 upon cot is tan. Now go to the other curve. So 2 log r. This curve now I am doing plus log of cos 2 theta is equal to 2 log b. So 2 by r dr by d theta plus cos 2 theta minus 2 sin 2 theta is equal to 0. Right? So 2 again got cancelled here. And cot phi is equal to tan 2 theta. So tan of phi 2 reciprocal I am taking 1 upon tan 2 theta. This is equation number 2. Now multiply 1 and 2. So tan of phi 1 into tan of phi 2 is equal to minus tan 2 theta into 1 upon tan 2 theta. So it is minus 1 implies orthogonal. Correct? Okay, come to the next question. Again, take log. Log r is equal to log a minus log of 1 plus cos theta. Now here I have applied log m by n is equal to log m minus log n concept. 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to minus 1 plus cos theta, and by chain rule differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Okay, so cot of phi is equal to sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Again same type of structure I am getting. Okay, so what is tan phi 1? Tan phi 1 is equal to 1 plus cos theta. Just take the reciprocal upon sin theta. Make it equation number 1. Go to the other curve. Log r is equal to log b plus log of 1 minus cos theta. So 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, minus is there, cos theta is minus sin theta, so it became plus. So cot phi is equal to sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. So tan of phi 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta 2. Correct? So tan of phi 1 into tan of phi 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta into 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. So 1 minus cos square theta upon sin square theta. Again a plus b, a minus b formula I have applied. Correct? So this became sin square theta upon sin square theta, which is equal to 1. I need minus 1. So where I have missed my minus 1, that I should check, because orthogonal if I am proving 100% sure minus 1 I should get. So somewhere I might have missed my minus sign. Okay. So let's go back here. So log r is equal to log a minus log of this. Okay. This became 0. Here minus is there. Then log 1 upon 1 plus cos theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So this became plus. I understood now. Okay. So this is correct. Second one I might have done mistake. See here. When I took log, it is division. So this has to be minus, na? And if this is minus, this will become minus. This will be minus. Here I will have minus. And here I will have one minus sign. Correct? So this will be here minus. Correct? So when they say show that it is orthogonal, it has to be orthogonal. Correct? So this is how you have to do the questions of orthogonality. I hope you understood the concept. It's a very easy but very important concept. Now in my next video, I will be telling you how to find out angle between two curves. Few question will go smoothly like this, but few question will trouble you little bit. Not trouble, but yeah, you have to do it, right? So in that questions, you have to pay attention that I should not get the answer in terms of theta, that I will teach you in that video. So like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel so that the moment I'll upload the new video, you will get the notification. Thank you.